Owens, clipio hi fewn, edrych am wael.
Been some great managers have been awarded this, so yeah, very proud. You know, I'd have thought there's a fair chance I'd have been in the running. I have been the last 4 years, you know, been nominated, so yeah, it's really special. You know, again, it's a reflection of what we did last year, which was a terrific season with many high points. We went on a great run, unbeaten until Christmas. Only lost 2 games, won the League Cup, and you know, and ultimately awarded the title. So yeah, it was a fantastic season, and you know, we're champing at a bit now, ready to go again. I've gone on record a few times since of saying that you know, last season we overachieved. You know, last season, you know, where we were in reflection to TNS going into the season with the size of their budget. You know, this season it's been improved. You know, we're probably 2/3 of what TNS are now. You know, so it's still a big gap to where they actually are. I think if you finish above TNS, you win the league. And you know, but we're confident. You know, because obviously we strengthened. You know, when I look at last season, our budget was half of what TNS was last year, so we've improved it this year. But they're still the standout club with the, you know, the period of time that they were at the top. So there's still a lot of things in place which we're going to have to match and go past this year.